Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Age of Wonders 4 error code. No suitable GPU found. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game. According to our research, the error may occur due to a temporary glitch, missing updates, or issues with the graphics drivers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and restart your device along with the network. Once you are done with restarting both your PC and internet connection, check for the error again. If the error still comes, then check if there is any update available for the game. If an update is available, install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues and you are sure your GPU supports DirectX 12, then you should try reinstalling or doing a fresh install of your graphics drivers. This will help rule out any issues with the current drivers. Once done, check if the error still comes. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.